Hello, in this video we are going to derive the formula for n of A union B and also the formula for n of A union B union C. N of A union B means the number of elements in A union B. To begin with, let us first draw a Venn diagram. Venn diagram means we just make two small circles inside, one of them which represents A and the other represents B. Okay. So over here, suppose the first circle represents A and the second circle represents B. Now we know that the common portion is A intersection B. Now in order to write the formula of the number of elements in A union B is the complete region that is under the two circles A and B. So number of elements in A union B, it is equal to. Now first what we do is we take all the elements which are there in A, we take all the elements which are there in B. So when we talk about all the elements which are there in the set A, we are taking up the yellow shaded portion once. Then once again when we take the elements of B, we are once again taking the common shaded portion once. So in fact we are adding this portion twice, one with A and the other with B. And so, but it should be added only once, and that is the reason why we subtract it once. And this is the formula for number of elements in A union B. So number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B minus the number of elements in A intersection B. This is the formula for the union of two given sets to find out the number of elements. Now to find the number of elements in A union B union C, what do we do is we start with let B union C be equal to say D. So n of A union B union C, it becomes n of B union A union D. Now using the formula which we wrote on the left, we get n of number of elements in A plus the number of elements in D minus the number of elements in A intersection D. Now we will resubstitute the value of D, and so we get n of B union C minus n of A intersection B union C. Now this is equal to n of A plus n of B. Now we are applying the formula for B union C plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus number of elements in. Now we will use the distributive property, so we get A intersection B union A intersection C. This is equal to, now first we will write the initial elements as they are, minus n of B intersection C minus, and I put a bracket. Now please try to understand this. We shall consider this as X and this as Y. Now n of X union Y is n of X plus n of Y minus n of X intersection Y. So A intersection B intersection A intersection C makes it A intersection B intersection C. Now we shall open the final brackets and we get n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now remember, most of the times when you're doing the questions, you will have to sometimes formulate your own formulae. So at that time you need to be careful like how to go about framing a formula. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.